Josh Stemle with Stokes Stemle Personal Injury Attorneys. And a common question we get asked is, what do I do if the insurance company contacts me? Well, first, you don't have to speak to them if you don't want to. What we like to tell our clients is treat the insurance companies like the police. Anything you say can and will be used against you. They're usually trying to reach out to you to find out how the accident occurred and get your story on what your injuries are. We don't like to give them that information freely, especially for the injuries. We like to let a doctor decide and his examinations direct what injuries you have. Because if you try to say, oh, I'm fine, when most people, is normal for to say, it's like, oh, how are you feeling? I'm fine. Well, they write that down in their little record book, and 6 months from now, when we come back and present injuries that your doctor said you had a torn rotator cuff or something, they're going to come back and say, well, we spoke to you 2 days after the accident and you said you were fine. So be careful there. We're happy to speak to them for you. The other thing we tell them is don't talk about causation or injuries, but you can talk to them about your property damage. Sometimes they'll reach out to you and they're trying to get you a rental car and trying to be helpful. And that's great. Tell them I can pick up the rental car on such and such day at such and such time. But anything deeper than that, you should be really cautious. Now, the big thing to worry about is if they start asking for recorded statements. That should make alarms go off in your head, because that means they're looking for a way to deny it and they're trying to get it recorded so they can come back and hit you with it later on. If that happens, call us immediately so we can get on the phone with you, find out what the insurance company wants to ask and what specifically they want this recorded statement to cover, so we can try to minimize what they're able to ask you. And that way we can control the narrative and make sure that you end up getting what you deserve out of this case. So if you've been injured in an accident and the insurance company's reaching out to you and you kind of get the ick and you're not feeling good about it, call us at 334-316-4123. We're happy to help and see what we can do.